Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajeli and I'm back with another banging video. Today's video is about braided protective hairstyles for black women or for all hair types, for natural, relaxed, texturized, or any hair type at all. So if today is your first time seeing my channel or watching my video, thank you so much for clicking on my video. This means a lot to me. Please, before you finish watching this video to the end, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also please share this video with your friends and family so that they can be inspired, or so that they can get inspiration for their next hairdo. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl and always watching my videos and clicking on my video whenever you are notified. Before you log out, as you already know, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification as well so that I'll be notified whenever I upload a next video if you haven't done that already. So without further ado, I want to continue what I was discussing in my previous video. So in my previous video, I was sharing with you guys about mini braids. I recently got to know about mini braids, and I've been making research and stuff, how to moisturize it, how to take care of it, how to use it to help you retain length and hair growth and thickness and all. And I was sharing with you guys some of the things I've learned and I found out during my research, and I couldn't give you all the details from in my previous video. So if you want to know what I spoke about in my previous video, then that's the video just before this one, okay? So you can watch that video and then you can pick one or two from there. If you are on a hair growth journey to grow your hair and retain length as well. So as I was saying in my previous video, I learned about mini braids. It's a kind of braid that you braid with your natural hair. That's if you have natural hair or relaxed hair, or let me put it this way, it's a kind of braids or protective hairstyle you do, braids that you get without adding any attachment to it. So you use your own raw natural hair to braid it, okay? So I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw a lot of video of people using this video or this kind of hairstyle to grow their hair. And guys, the evidence and the results most of them are getting was insane. So I decided to give it a try, and I'm currently rocking my first mini braids on right now. So today I did cloves, fenugreek and negro pepper, and then what's the name, rosemary and acacia seeds. So I boiled them for about 10 minutes. After that I let it sit to cool. Then after it cooled down, I poured it into my spray bottle. So when you want to moisturize your hair in mini braids, you first of all go in with your liquid. It can be water, but I want additional benefits, so I'm using this clove and the combo I mentioned earlier as the water base, okay? Then make sure you spray it all over your hair, from the roots of your hair to the ends of your hair. It should be evenly distributed. And after that, you will go in with your leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner at all that it's okay with your hair, okay? Then after that, you make sure that that one is also evenly distributed to your hair, but don't apply that to your root, okay? Then after applying your leave-in conditioner, you then go ahead with your hair growth oil. And one tip I have learned recently is that as if you have low porosity hair, you have to make sure that you use a lightweight oil. And oils that sit on your hair like coconut oil, olive oil, and some few, but I can't mention all of them right now, oils are not good for low porosity hair. So oils like sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, baobab oil are very good for low porosity hair because they are lightweight and they can be able to be absorbed into your hair shaft and make your hair moisturize. Okay, so after that, you make sure that when you are rocking mini braids, your hair is always held up and in scrunchies. Okay, this way your ends will be protected from the harsh weather and it will be protected from breaking and damage. So these are a few that I have learned so far. I am still learning. Anything I find out, I will come and share with you. And also what they do is that they wash, some of them say they wash their hair weekly, some of them say they wash their hair every 2 weeks, some of them say they wash their hair every 4 weeks, depending on how long you are keeping your mini braids. Currently the one I'm having on, to me it was braided too small, so I don't think I can keep it in for more than a month. Since it's my first time, I just want to keep it in for just a month, 4 weeks. Then after that I'll take it down, wash my hair, and then go get another one done. So it hasn't been a week since I had it. I think it's been 5 days so far. So in 2 weeks, when it's 2 weeks, I will wash it. Okay, I'll wash it every 2 weeks, since I am keeping it for a month. But if I'm able to do the one that I feel like the size is okay, that I can keep in for a long time, in order so that when I'm taking it down, it doesn't matter and I don't really get a lot of tangles and breakages. Okay, so with that one, I can wash my hair weekly or 2 weeks, depending. Like, you don't really, it's good to have a routine, but then if you feel you know your hair so well, just go with the flow. Okay, so if you feel your hair is dirty, it's itchy, or you feel your hair looks dry, you moisturize. If you feel like your hair is itchy and dirty, you wash it. For me, that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna have a routine because I don't have the time. I don't have time like I used to have anymore. So I'm just gonna go with the flow of my hair because I know my hair so well. When my hair feels dirty, I know. When my hair needs to be moisturized too, I know. So whenever I feel like it, that's what I'm going to do. But for the washing, I personally like to wash my hair every 1 week, especially when my hair is not in braids. But since it's in braids, I'm gonna do it 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, I'm going to wash my hair. So yeah, this is the new update I have for you guys. So when I uploaded my previous video, someone commented, I'm sorry, I don't remember the name, but someone asked a comment. I really appreciate the comment on that video. Person asked, is tea tree oil good for low porosity hair? And my answer was yes and no. Tea tree oil is good for low porosity hair, especially if you are suffering from dandruff and your scalp is suffering from flakes and dandruff and any scalp condition that is inhibiting your hair from growing or making your hair or scalp itchy all the time. Then you can incorporate tea tree oil in your hair, but then you have to use it in moderation. And no, because tea tree oil can be so drying to the hair, and as we all know, low porosity hair, our shafts are closed, so that means that our hair hardly is already very dry. Okay, so if you had or use a product that is more drying to the hair, then you're going to make your hair more brittle and it will make it more easy to break. So in this way, if you are on a hair journey, a hair growth journey, that means your hair is not going to grow. Even though it's growing, you are not retaining that growth and length. It's all going, and you feel like my hair is not growing, that means, but what it all means is that you are not using the right product for your hair. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys to this juncture, and I will continue our convo in the next video. So make it a point to watch the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video to this point, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I love you, girl. I love you, and I'll see you guys. Bye.